This video will help you get started with the features and functions of your new Frigidaire range. Let's check that all surface burner caps and grates are installed correctly. If they've not been installed, start by removing any remaining packing materials from the cooktop area. Next, place the burner head over the igniter. It has a hole to fit snug on the top of the igniter. This must be done before placing any burner caps. Once the burner head has been properly placed, position the burner cap snugly in the center of the burner head so it rests level. Check the fit by gently sliding the burner cap from side to side to make sure it's centered and firmly seated. When you've finished installing the burner caps, position the burner grates on the cooktop by placing the middle grate or flat-top griddle first, followed by the left and right. Make sure they're flush with each other. Now let's get familiar with the controls of your range. Touch menu options and scroll to your desired option. Then choose an option to set your preference. Here, you can touch Set Clock, turn on and off your oven light, and explore general settings. Touch general settings to change things like temperature unit, volume, screen brightness, and language preferences. Timer on/off sets or cancels the minute timer, while cook time allows you to enter the length of desired bake time. Note, the oven will turn off after completion of cook time. The timer, meanwhile, will not turn off the oven when time expires. The oven also has an energy-saving factory preset that will turn it off if the oven is left on for more than 12 hours. This can be overridden if you wish to bake continuously. Touch menu options and scroll to energy-saving mode to override this setting if necessary. When on/off is selected, the display opens to the Quick Start screen. From there, you can immediately start the bake function by pressing Start and adjust the temperature by pressing plus or minus. Other cooking options can be selected by touching oven modes and scrolling to your desired option. We recommend running a test bake before cooking anything in your oven. Set your oven to bake and let it run for 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 176 degrees Celsius. Note, it's normal to experience some smoke and noises during this first test bake. As the temperature in your oven changes during use, you may hear noises as it expands and contracts. This is perfectly normal. Some of the other most common sounds you can expect from your appliance include the control panel making clicking sounds when the oven is operating. Your oven also contains a cooling fan that keeps the electronics cool. You may hear this fan when the appliance is operating or cooling down once it's turned off. If your model has a convection feature, you'll be able to hear the convection fan running when it's in use as well. Be sure to check out our additional videos to learn more about the various features and cooking modes in your total convection oven, as well as tips for clean and care. Now, you're ready to start creating delicious meals for your family. Visit Frigidaire.com to learn more about your appliance, register your product, and join the Frigidaire family. We're here to help.